Hey guys, I am back. My brother is being a butthead trying to mess me up. Don't talk again. Hello. So yeah, I was trying to... No! And oh my god, I'm still alive. Oh, never mind. I'm dead. Let's just go. We're going so fast. Oh my god, here. Let's go change the color real quick. Room. Oh, my car is so messed up right now. What does the inside look like? No, the interiors. Oh, that was a juicy drift. That was like really good looking. Oh, you can't go in there. I thought you could go in there. I don't know why. I just thought that. Vroom. Okay, boom. We are going to, let's make him. Ooh, I like that red. Oh crap. Oh, just watch an ad. I don't have any monies right now, so I guess I can watch an ad. Ooh, idle farming empire. That sounds fun. Oh, I don't have money, so duh. Okay, boom. Oh wow, is this boom? Zaboom. Zaboom, zaboom. Zaboom, zaboom. Boom, boom, boom. Wow.
Bubba, why the tractor?
Oh crap.
No.
Crap. Okay, phew. That was close. Sometime today. Okay, boom. Okay. That took a minute. But we're back, so...
Bubba, can I power the tractor? My tablet's dead.
Shush. Okay.
Please.
Shh. I told you to be quiet. So yeah, we are going to continue driving around with this car until we get the Jeep, which we... Oh my god, why are there so many flipping ads? Holy god.
Yeah.
No more. None. No. No bueno. Okay. Ronnie, look at us. Shh. Look how fast we're going. I mean, it feels like we're going fast, but we're actually only going 84 miles an hour. But I can't wait to get that Jeep. It looks so good.
Do you have to charge your stuff too?
Yes, I'm using it right now, okay?
I know, but I need
Don't unplug it. No, you don't.
This was my
Just shush. Can't you see I'm trying to do something?
Yes, but I need this audio.
Well, are you making YouTube videos? Sorry, guys. My little 5-year-old brother over here trying to mess me up. Oh, and I'm going to put the link in the description to my channel if you want to please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell because I might even post a video every week or every day, maybe after school. So please like and subscribe to the video. Yeet. Boom. And I'm going to put the link in the description to my channel like I said earlier. Sorry, I'm repeating myself. I do that a lot. It's a habit. Sorry if I'm being kind of quiet. I just started my channel not that long ago, and usually when I'm playing games, I'm just sitting there being quiet. So I'm used to that. So if I'm being quiet, that's why. That's why I'm kind of being a little bit quiet. So sorry about that. Stop doing wheelies. Come on. It's actually just... Oh my god. Okay, let's go back to the city. Just over here. Whoosh. Ooh. That was a hard landing. Okay, let's go. Holy crap. Ooh. Thingy. Vroom. And... Oh my god. Hit it. Hit it. Oh my god. Okay. Boop. I got it. Let's go. How many more things? No Fortnite ad. Oh my god. We're so close. Go. Speed of light. Look at me go. Oof. Wow. I feel like I'm going so fast, but in reality, I'm not going that fast. Whoa. Okay. Ouch. Oog.
Yeah.
Wowzers. Go! Dun, dun. Don't hit him. Don't hit him. Wow. I just barely skimmed them. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Ouch. What? I was like 2 inches away from hitting that fire hydrant. That was actually really close there.
Yes, Jack, there's
Yeah.
2 cords, right?
Right?
Okay, so plug it into the cube so he can have a charger too. Okay?
Okay. Well, he was talking a bunch and I'm trying to make a video. Which I'm kind of getting mad about.
Yeah, but
Sorry, guys, I'm...
Shush.
Sorry, guys, I am trying to help my brother get his tablet started up. So, you see it?
Okay. Yeah.
So, 1 second. And do not play videos, okay? Because I don't want no stupid video noises in my video, okay? Is that okay? Come on, go in there.
Let's go watch a movie or so.
No.
Okay.
Okay, now just let it sit there and charge for a minute.
Okay.
No, you're gonna move, dude. I'm trying to. See, god dang it, man. Ah, crap. See what you did, man? Move. Move.
No.
Yes.
Sit here.
No. Sit where you were sitting.
I'm just gonna sit right here in
Okay.
the wet.
Can you scoot over? Thank you.
Now you're gonna tell me to scoot over a million times. I don't even have to.
And Jace, when I tell you to go get on your bed, go get on your bed, because every time you do this, you end up pushing me off my own bed, which is not very pleasant. Okay.
Yeah,
I'm just no, it's not.
Granddad and Yaya. I'm gonna tell you something.
What?
Granddad and Yaya are here.
Okay, cool. Now, what the flip? I didn't even touch that car, and it just like flipped out. I don't know. What the flip? Why is everyone crashing? Okay, that time I hit him. But what the flip? Everyone's just like, that car flipped over, that one hit a fire hydrant. It's like, what the flip? What is going on? I am so confused.
And the car just got killed.
Oh yeah. Oops. Ouch. Get that. Get it off. Oh my god, what the foot? Like, what the heck why was he backing up on me?
Let's my tablet.
No. Oh my god, Jace, I literally just plugged it in. Leave it alone.
No, let me.
Ooh. This was like
Oh,
that traffic
no.
game that I used to play when I was younger. Oh, holy crap.
Papa, please can you scoot over?
No.
So I don't want to sit here. Put
Whoa.
the tablet in my lap.
No. Sit back where you were sitting.
No. Why
Whoa.
you won't let me sit right
Holy crap.
There's no,
Ooh.
that's a wet
Okay.
spot and I don't
Boom.
want to be all wet.
Okay,
That's
let's
Chris.
I have my lights on. Let's turn this thing. The other car the first car I started off did not have the best turning performance, which I was not.
Please.
No, shush. Which I was not glad about because it was very hard for me to take sharp turns. So yeah, that kind of made me a little bit mad. Have I explored this part yet? Let's go look. Whee! Okay.
Did you see
Oh crap! Oh crap! Holy crap! Move.
headbutt Granddad in the stomach time this one.
Wait, can I just like roll down? This doesn't move. I can. Look at Brigo. Why is that van on his face? No, dude. What the
I
heck?
want a cookie.
Shush. Shut up. Sorry, guys. That's my little brother making all kinds of noise. Oh, that was a good turn. It Am I almost there? How close am I? What I want to add. Oh, wow. I'm like so close. Okay. I think I could just roll down the hill and I'll be able to get it. So, rolling down the hill. Wow. So I'm not actually pushing it at all, as you can see. I'm just turning the arrow buttons. Whoosh. Hey, look. We're going this fast. 40. Yes. Jeep. Yes. Unlocked. I unlocked the Jeep. Oh my god, 10 minutes. Holy crap. I didn't notice I was recording for so long. Shush. Okay, let's go to drive. Let's go back to traffic mode like I was doing just a minute ago. And let's... Ooh, this is fast. This is a little sporty Jeep. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy crap, this Jeep. This is an awesome Jeep. It's fast as well. I feel like I'm going so fast. How? Now the question is, how good is this thing at off-roading? Not too bad, I'm not lying. This is actually a very well off-roading vehicle. It's a little Jeep-a-rooney. Whoa, hit a big jump. Oh, crap. Holy gosh. Okay. Okay, let's go back to where I was at earlier. So it's gotta drive over here. Jace. So it's, ooh, don't hit the bridge. Wow, that was close. So let's drive way around. Shush. Jace. Shh. So yeah, let's drive back to where we were. So yeah.
No, this is my middle.
Shush.
Okay.
Shush,
Well, I
okay?
did the middle finger.
Shh. Jace, be quiet right now. Okay, now we're gonna take a turn. If this person would move, that would be really nice.
Baba, my mouth is...
Shush. Okay, I'm trying to do this. Okay, we are now rolling down the hill. No, leave it alone. Okay, we're gonna floor it. Whoosh, we got some air. We just got some air. Oh crap, oh crap. I feel really bad for that person now. Just leave it alone, please. I beg you.
No.
You can play it, just don't have so much noise going on, okay? I don't want it to be heard in my video. Sorry, I honestly don't want any other things.
I'm already unplugged.
Ooh, what's over here? It's like a park that I just wrecked. Yeah. Oh, this is so fun. I can't wait to get the
Baba,
Herbie.
Please, can you make a
Jace, please.
Light.
Shush.
like it?
Oh, what's over here? Eh? Oh, it's the beach. Oh, this is cool. Boom, get wrecked.
Baba, I can't find
Boom, 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 boom. Why? Why the ads? I don't want a stupid ad.
Baba, be quiet.
You.
Let's see. So, can I hear the Legos on my tablet?
So, yeah, let's go. We're going so fast. How much more do I have to drive to get the Herbie? I might start playing... Jace, shush. I might start playing a different game in just a second. Because I have a decent amount of games on here. Actually, yeah, let's go see. Okay. Home, please. Thank you. Oh, that's all I have? Okay. Stop, that hurt. Okay, let's go to games. Let's go to categories. How about let's do... Shh. Let's go simulation. Shush. Come on, sometime today.
Baba, someone, baby.
Shush. Come on. Oh my god, okay. simulation. Thank you.
When the charge on my Xbox to do something.
Okay, now I forgot. God dang it. Oh, God. Holy crap. Oh, yeah. Sandbox. Sandbox. Come on. Oh, my God. Why is this taking forever to load? Jason. Shush.
Mama, I'm not playing this.
Just please be quiet, okay? I did, but you unplugged it.
It's unplugged.
Yeah, because you unplugged it. Oh my God. Okay, let me try this again.
Everything off.
Sunbox. Holy crap. Turn off Wi-Fi and then turn it back on. Retry. Come on. Come on. It's taking forever. Let me know when it pops up. Oh my God. Yeah. We're just gonna go home, right? So for me.
It's unplugged.
Let me. Okay, finally. Okay, 1 minute. I'm trying to find a certain game. Where is it? Oh my God. No, 1 minute. Stop that. Okay, so simulator games.
Papa,
We wanna go to Jace. Shush. Boom. Hopefully I get what I'm looking for. Because what I'm looking for, oh my gosh, zombie outbreak simulator. That sounds cool. But do not unplug mine.
Bubba, you know I'm gonna save.
Dude, Jace, stop it. And give me the cord.
No.
Okay, fine. You're not plugging in. I'm not plugging in your tablet then. Offline.
Here.
Thank you. Here it is. At least I think. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. So, boop. Does it want something? Yes, it does. Oh, yeah, I can't delete anything. This prop hunt, too bold.
Bubba, please can you help
What is
me?
this? No, not right now. Oh, that's boring.
Bubba, help me.
What else is there? Let's do Death Run
Bubba, help
Portable.
me. Bubba, please.
Let's do Death Run Portable. What?
Bubba, help me.
Jace, do not start crying.
Yes, but you won't
Shush.
in my tablet.
Shush, please. I beg you. Okay, I'm just trying to find a...
Please.
Shh. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, what cool games are there?
Pegu.
Shh. Let's...
And I'm going in the living room.
Okay, go in the living room then.
And I'm going to plug in my tablet and all that. You.
Let's just do... Where is it? Okay, how about we go... No, let's go Geometry Dash. Boom. Oh my god, no. No. Okay. Then... what is there to do? How much is Bendy in Nightmare Run? Because I've been waiting a long time for this game to come out. Wow. Just wow. Holy crap. Okay, never mind.
Daddy said plug it in or you will get spanking.
1 minute. Okay, sir. Shush. Nope. Okay. How about we just... Shush. How about this one? Nope, that one won't accept it either. Holy crap! Shh. How about... Wait, let's go... Cube... Zombie... Cube Zombies. So, I am looking for... Where is it? Where is it? Cube Zombie War. Da, 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 da. Ooh, wait, I know what to do. Low storage zombie games. Low storage zombie games. Okay, 1 minute. Let me see. Where is it? There it is. Oh crap.
And you just broke the cord.
Oh, give me it. Are you gonna give me it or not?
No, I have my tablet.
No, give me the cube. What is it?
Pointing at it.
No. Oh, you could have told me it was right there.
I'm gonna
Oh
sit
my
here.
god. Holy crap. 1 minute.
Crap.
Here. How about we get back Stickman Rope?
Do it.
Never mind.
But do you need to go potty?
Wait, you know what I want to do? ST. Nope.
Baba, do you need to go to the bathroom?
Shush. sorry guys for how long this is taking. Okay, let's just delete Stickman the fight. Cause that game's hard anyway, so hopefully this game works. Okay, so while we're waiting for that, oh my god. 1 minute, let's go back to the Play Store. Really? I already did what you asked me of. Holy God. How about Short Life? I guess? If it'll even work? Nope, that one won't work either. Holy crap! Oh my god, okay. Okay. Let's just find something. And don't get it. Let's go with this one. Boop. So it'll even work. Nope, okay. Hey then. Okay, let's just go. Low storage Stickman games. Low storage Stickman games. Look, it's Stickman Falling. First one. Yet it doesn't want to work. Okay, okay, will you work?
Baba, I got your blue pencil and colored face.
Cool. Okay, how about let's go with the portable. Whew, my god. Oh my god, why can't we find the game? Okay. Will you work? No. Oh my god.
Baba, you won't believe this.
Wow, not even that.
I just colored the whole thing on my picture.
Then
Oh, my gosh. Baba, you won't believe this. Santa's here right now, and he bought some presents and they're under the tree. And don't go see him, he's on the carousel. Come see this. You won't believe it. Come see this.
what's Spotify? Yeah, 1 minute.
Bubba, you won't believe this.
Holy
Look.
crap.
Bubba, look.
1 minute.
Now I gotta do the legs. Why my coloring book keeps falling? What?
Oh, I don't need memo. Oh, yes we do. Gallery, nope. Camera, nope. 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 Wait, maybe I go to here.
How's that home at Santa? No! Oh. Fine. I'm doing a different thing. But you know what? So, I'm just coming to the back.
How about you?
You know
Boo.
what? Some color.
Oot,
No,
oot, 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 oot.
That's what.
Dump, 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 dump.
I'm doing all the That's it.
Okay, I guess we're gonna react to a video now. Because I'm soon gonna end this video because it is getting really long. It's like 33 minutes. I've been recording right now.
One, two, three, four. Yeah, four. Nine. Make the four
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for reasons. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your.
Okay, what else is there?
Well, but I got.
What's this?
Slash summon 50 ways to die in Minecraft 9. Squiggly, squiggly, squiggly. Aw, man. me try /summon 50 ways to die in Minecraft Part 9. Squiggly, squiggly, squiggly. Dang it.
What are you doing?
I'm using that cool trick I learned to get me the next 50 ways to die in Minecraft video.
Why would you want to do that? Whenever one of those videos comes along, we all get killed over and over in painful and humiliating ways.
Yeah, but it's really funny though.
Okay, but even if a few chuckles were worth getting viciously slaughtered over and over again, you can't summon YouTube videos with the summon command.
Come on, man, that's the attitude of a quitter. I'm no quitter, I'm a winner. I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna go get struck by lightning while accurately predicting the final score of the next Super Bowl during my inauguration for becoming the President of the United States. You know, something that has much better chances of happening than what you're doing. What's going on here?
I'm trying to summon the next 50 ways to die in Minecraft video, but I can't figure out how to spell it. /summon
I put my
50 ways
homework
to
in
die in
my backpack.
Minecraft Part N-I-N-E.
So I can
Squiggly, squiggly, squiggly.
Aw.
I think I know what the problem is.
Really?
Yeah, when 1.13 got released, they changed a bunch of the commands again. So the summon command got changed to, you know what? Why don't I just write down the command you need in this book? That'll probably be easiest anyway.
Oh, thanks.
Finally did all of my homework.
Let me see.
And Bubba,
Oh, wow. I never would have thought of that.
please plug in my tablet. Bubba, are you gonna eat your cookie?
Yes.
Can you eat it?
Not now.
Then I'm gonna eat
Shh,
it.
no, you're not.
Bubba, plug in my tablet. Fine.
Okay. Ouch.
Yeah, see? Here's the charger. I've been whining about Bubba. There's a charger. Bubba, there's a charger. What's the code for my tablet? I just lost it. That's mean. Now I don't have a code. Now I gotta find a different code. Oh, why did you bring me your backpack?
Games on the 1 megabyte. Okay, I guess we're gonna play something for the rest of the minute. Yeah, actually, bye guys. Please like and subscribe the video. Bye.